The night sky is an amazing spectacle to behold. With its bright constellations and planets, it is something that reminds us that we are but a single speck in an endless sea of stars. Every year, there are various celestial events that dazzle its viewers with their beauty, and this year is no exception. From meteor showers to lunar eclipses, 2020 has various events that you are not going to want to miss. So, in chronological order, here are the top 10 celestial events of 2020. February 18th, Moon passes in front of Mars. In the middle of February, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn will line up in the night sky. This is going to provide an opportunity to view all three with a pair of binoculars or a telescope. You could also even see them with your naked eye, but obviously the experience would not be the same. Between February 18th and 20th, the Moon will pass close to each of these planets, making it easier. This event can be seen anywhere in the planet. Depending on where you are in the world, you might even be able to see the Moon occult or pass in front of Mars and Jupiter. In the western United States, during the early morning hours of February 18th, sky watchers will be able to see the Moon pass over Mars. If you happen to be in the southern tip of South America or Antarctica, you can catch the Moon occulting Jupiter on February 19th, and on February 20th, the Moon will pass close to Saturn. April 27th, Venus shines brightest in the sky. Venus is the brightest object in the sky next to the Sun and Moon, and it is going to shine its strongest at the end of April. Venus will rise in the west after sunset during this month, no matter where you are in the world. Significantly brighter than any other planet or star, Venus provides a unique spectacle sure to amaze its viewers. At 9 p.m. Eastern Time on April 27th, Venus will be at its brightest, meaning the illuminated part of Venus covers the greatest area of sky. During or near this time, Venus will hit its maximum magnitude for 2020, shining brighter than at any other point during the year. With a telescope, you can see the disk of Venus and the planets changing faces, much like the Moon. Due to the positions of Earth, Venus, and the Sun, our sister planet actually appears brightest in Earth's skies when it's about 25% illuminated. But even with the naked eye, Venus will be nearly impossible to miss. Later in the year, on July 10th, Venus will again shine at near its brightest, but this time in the morning sky, just before sunrise. June 21st, Annular solar eclipse in Africa and Asia. Just by pure coincidence, the Moon and the Sun are just the right distance apart to seem like they are the same size. This makes it possible sometimes for the Moon to cover the Sun entirely, creating the phenomenon we know as a solar eclipse. Other times, however, when the Moon is farther away and smaller in the sky, it does not cover the Sun completely, but leaves a ring of light encircling the dark Moon, known as an annular solar eclipse. One of these solar eclipses will occur on June 21st of this year. It will, however, not be visible in all parts of the world, only in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, South Sudan, Ethiopia, the Arabian Peninsula, Pakistan, northern India, southern China, and the island of Taiwan. So if you live in North America, you're out of luck for this one. During an annular solar eclipse, direct sunlight passes around the Moon and reaches Earth, so eye protection must be worn to prevent eye damage. July 4th, Lunar Eclipse. Across 2020, 4 penumbral lunar eclipses will be able to be seen across the world. This eclipse is a special type where the Moon passes through the Earth's shadow. They are sometimes difficult to see, so you have to look closely. The first of these eclipses will happen on July 4th, just in time for Independence Day in America. So you can make it an event to see right before the insanity begins, the hot dogs are ready, and the fireworks start exploding. I mean, this doesn't happen all the time. Make some room for the beautiful sky. July 14th and July 20th, Jupiter at opposition and Saturn at opposition. The two biggest planets in our solar system will be the main feature in the summer sky as Jupiter and Saturn shine side by side all season long. The middle of July will be the best time of the summer to view the planets, with or without a telescope, as they will both be reaching opposition. This is the point in their orbits where they will be closest to the Earth, making them appear brighter than any other point in the year. Jupiter will reach opposition first on July 14th, followed by Saturn on July 20th. August 12th. Perseid Meteor Shower. This shower is one of the most popular meteor showers of the year, and it peaks in the middle of August. This year, shooting stars should be visible in the nights and early mornings of August 11th, 12th, and 13th, with the shower's peak occurring in the pre-dawn hours of August 12th. Meteors will be visible across the sky, and if you trace their path, they appear to be radiating from the constellation Perseid. Unlike in 2019, when the nearly full moon filled the sky with light, the moon will be in the sky for only the last part of the night, allowing stargazers to see as many as 100 meteors per hour. For best viewing conditions, find a spot outdoors away from any major cities, and remember that it takes about 20 minutes for your eyes to fully adjust to the darkness. October 13th, Mars at opposition. While Jupiter and Saturn appear brightest in the sky near opposition, Mars, a much closer planet, brightens even more dramatically when it is on the opposite side of Earth from the Sun. Mars only reaches opposition with Earth about every 2 years, and viewing conditions for the red planet this October are slated to be spectacular. For most of the month of October, the light of Mars will grow brighter than even Jupiter, which is generally the second brightest planet in the sky. The brightness of Mars will peak on October 13th when the planet reaches opposition. Earlier in the month, on October 6th, Mars will get as close as 38.6 million miles from Earth, its closest approach until 2035, according to Earth's sky. December 14th. Total solar eclipse and meteor shower in Chile and Argentina. In the middle of December, a total solar eclipse will cross the southern end of South America. Bummer that you have to be either in Chile or Argentina to witness this phenomenon. But it could be an excuse to take a vacation to South America's amazing landscapes. The maximum duration of this eclipse will be just under 2 minutes and will only be able to be seen fully outside Sierra Colorada in Argentina. During the total eclipse, viewers will be able to see the sun's corona or outer atmosphere. Eye protection is extremely recommended as you could go blind if the sun rays hit you straight in the eye, and they may also spot red tendrils of plasma snaking out from the sun, known as solar prominences. December 21st, conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. Our last event in our countdown will happen at the end of December, just as we are getting ready to celebrate the holidays. On December 21st, Jupiter and Saturn will get closer to each other than they have been in 4 centuries. When 2 objects appear close to each other on the sky, astronomers call the phenomenon a conjunction, and a conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn is known as a great conjunction. These great conjunctions occur about every 20 years, but this year the 2 planets will be getting specially close to each other. With Jupiter and Saturn so close, astronomers will be able to get both planets in the view of high-resolution telescopes. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top celestial events in 2020, but most importantly, if you can, please take some time from your busy day-to-day life and observe one of these beautiful phenomenons that will occur this year. We know it is hard in this day and age when being busy all the time is considered something to be proud of, but if you plan wisely, we are sure you will not regret being in awe by these amazing events that Earth gives us every now and then. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next from our channel. Till next time.